Laser or light therapy is a very ancient science. In the Ayurvedic teachings, we see that light therapy combined with color can be used to have a great and powerful therapeutic intervention. The adaptation of this simple concept, which in Ayurvedic teaching, you can wrap a colored cloth around a glass of water, set it in a sun, and that frequency of that color will be in the water, and then you can drink it. Other cultures, such as the Bhutanese or Bhutan, they use stone therapy in a similar way to make stone elixirs that have certain properties. So this is nothing new in civilization. It's a very simple and yet powerful technique of treatment. And the Endolaser treatment is an adaptation of this, where diodes that are filled with gemstone, a current is passed through it, and the colored gemstones generate a certain wavelength of light in the visible range, and then it's passed through a cable and can be connected to an IV catheter so that that laser light can actually irradiate your blood as it's passing through. And this is a technique that can be used just on its own to energize cell function. Energy and light is what stimulates healing. And so when you use the various colors of the visible range of light, whether it's, the blue and ultraviolet, or ultraviolet, blue, green, yellow, red, all of these ranges of wavelengths of light are therapeutic. And getting back to the old friend, Mr. Mitochondria, mitochondria have special components called respiratory chain complexes. And the mitochondrial respiratory chain complexes all respond to different wavelengths of light. And so when you give somebody an endolaser treatment, you're actually energizing their mitochondria function. And this can be used in a well patient just to increase strength and vitality. There have been studies to show that 10 treatments alone will increase your strength and endurance by more than 50%. So it's an excellent treatment for people who are well and are interested in athletic performance enhancement without any kind of drug tampering. It's an excellent treatment. At the same time, we have many people who suffer from illnesses that are based on mitochondrial dysfunction, whether it's chronic illnesses, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, viral infections, or cancer. All of these patients can benefit from this technique. And very simply, even the blood itself is what they call a chromophore. Anything that has color has unpaired electrons in the outer shell, and when energy is added to those entities, those electrons will go up in energy and then come back down. So when you use a laser, the laser increases the energy. It's also utilizable to enhance the efficacy of the application of this laser light in conjunction with what we call chromophores, or other substances that have color and unpaired electrons. These would be, in the case of curcumin, you all know, everybody knows what curcumin or turmeric looks like. It has a kind of yellow color. There are many other treatments that we offer specifically that we know what the absorption frequency is of the item, and so then we can apply the laser light at that frequency and to increase that absorption of energy. Your red blood cells are a chromophore. Green pigments are considered chromophores. Those can be ingested, or you can by mouth, or you can give them IV. There are many, many substances that are chromophores and can help enhance the efficacy of the endolaser treatment therapy, depending on what the chromophore is and what the potential use is desired. There are also specific dyes that can be applied, or cell food that is tagged and can be absorbed preferentially by cancer cells. So this technique can be utilized to very specifically only treat cancer cells and not normal cells with this cancer killing technique. I would invite you to look on our website further, and perhaps if you have interest, you'll inquire as to how we could apply this type of treatment technique to your personal situation. Thank you.